point. So I'm just going to go to the ATM and crawl, quickly grab a receipt from there. The weather is a typical autumn day, a little bit on the chilly side at the moment. Just gone 8 o'clock in the morning. The temperature is expected to rise to the mid-teens this morning into the afternoon. So today I'm fingerless. Okay, got it. Let's do this thing. Good morning, you're joining me for another audax. As you can see, I'm wrapped up really nice and warm. It's supposed to be picking up later today, mid-teens, but for now, a couple hours of biting cold wind coming off the North Sea. And I'm on a 200-kilometre audax. It's the Humber Bridge Perm, organised by Huddersfield Star Wheelers, and I'm not far from my first control point of the day, which is a little village in South Yorkshire called Huddersfield. Now, this, with it being a permanent ride, it's a little bit like a calendar ride. Apart from you don't have the information control, you still have to stop at places and grab receipts. And I'm joining the ride midway near Kroll, and yeah, so we're grabbing a receipt, first receipt of the day, in about 10 minutes from now. And as you can see, my Audax Club Lincolnshire kit has arrived as well, so I'm taking it out for its first ride. Loving the colours. Here we go, just about to rejoin the A18. It's got about 3 or 4 miles off it. So we'll have to go along here for about 5 or 6 miles. If you're coming along here in busy traffic, you will certainly know it. It's a 60-mile-per-hour road. Cars often go along it 70 plus. So no dawdling along this stretch of road. Through Hatfield, and I've collected my first receipt from the local co-op, and a nice treat as well, one of these Kinder chocolate cute tube things, really nice. One eaten one. There's loads of 2-for-1s and packets of chocolate, 4 bars for £1, that sort of thing. Cookies. Shame I've got no room today to carry any of that. Always like a bargain. It's lovely and quiet this Sunday morning. Not much traffic on the roads, considering this is the main road between Hatfield and Doncaster. It's surprisingly quiet. Audax Club Lincolnshire kit didn't last long, just had a spectacular crash on a rather sharp corner. I took it a bit too quickly. I thought it'd be alright. I went out wide, still managed to slip on it. Nice graze, look at that, a wall wound, big gap in the shorts now though. So be careful on this one, Doncaster Road, just coming out of Stainforth, sharp left, do not go too fast around it. I've just come through Kirk Brandwith in Stainforth, and since coming off my bike, my thumb is feeling all the vibrations of the road now. Every bump, I've broken a bone or something. Probably just bruised something in my hand. Contemplated turning back, to be honest. Let's just see how it goes. Well, the sky is beginning to clear. The sun's starting to poke its head out of the remaining clouds in the sky. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit now. Lots of potholes along this road, avoiding every single one by being out in the middle of the road. I've just found a nice picnic area. It's mid-morning. Enjoy some chocolate, a banana, and a banana milkshake as well. Found a nice secluded spot really, away from the wind and everything. It's a lot less windy than yesterday when I was out. Whew. I'm quite sure how far away I am from Huddersfield. I've just surpassed the 62k mark, so I'm going to get my phone out, see how much further it is away, and that's going to grab some lunch in Huddersfield. Just got through the other side of a village called Flockton, except it's one of those villages which is very narrow and it's got a lot of traffic through it. But there's a big statue, a big structure up on the hill there. I don't know what it is, perhaps somebody can tell me. There's a massive hill going all the way up there as well. I saw a cyclist turning off left to have a go up it. I've heard him at Oakley Moor. Is that anywhere near here? Well, I've arrived at Huddersfield, second control point of the day. I've spotted a subway, so I'm going to go to that now, grab something to eat. As you see, I've stopped off again, just had my lunch. I was going to get some footage there, but I've been focused on getting back out. So Huddersfield is really big. Well, yeah, I guess it's quite a big hill, but it's more long and a steady climb as well through the city centre and through a little village called Flockton I spoke about earlier. And it seems like local residents are pushing for a bypass. I can tell why. Lots of traffic, and it's got all the way through it. It's got double white lines, so there's not many opportunities for traffic to overtake. It's really hilly. I've just pulled over because nature was calling, and I just took a look at the GPS, and I'll show you as well. Check out the distance. 100k, spot on. So the next stop is in a place called Carlton. So I'm going to have a sing and dance when I get there. How far is that away? Oh, it said it was 61k from Huddersfield. I've probably done 7 or 8. So it's a couple hours away, probably less than that. And then it would probably start getting dark. And I've got to get to the Humber Bridge and then back home. So there'll be a few hours of darkness in this video. May not capture any of that. Let's see. Gone through Kellingley, just about to go through Kennington. There's an Egborough just to the south east of here, and I'm starting to get bored with this ride actually. It's just all A roads. Sometimes you can't beat a good single track road. The been very sparse on this route. There you go, there's a bit of scenery for you. Road closure ahead. Let's have a look on the Wahoo. Well, I tried to go through the road closure, but fortunately they're building a bridge right in the middle of the road, so there was no way past. I've been known to go through road closures in the past, myself and other people. Sometimes it works out okay, but this is one of those occasions, so I'm going to have to I've turned back, so I'm going to be hanking a left along the diversion, and hopefully it won't take me too far out of the way. It wasn't all in vain though. I just discovered I've got a chocolate bar left, so I'm going to have that now and tuck in. So I've seen at least one car go past me thinking they can try and get through. No chance at all. So I just checked the time, 4 PM. Seems weird, it's more like 6 or something. Used to these long summer evenings. So I've roughly got about 7 hours to do it. I've only got about 80k to go, so loads of time really. Same time, it's one of those why I'm eager to get over with. This will be on familiar roads soon. And I always look forward to crossing the Humber Bridge as well. See if we can get some pictures of that, see if it'll come out not too dark. Okay, I'm currently in Old Gould. I've come off the route. I've decided there's well, with 85 kilometres to go, it was pushing me well over distance, about 240 kilometres, and I've lost the enthusiasm for doing today's ride. The last 10k I've just been talking myself out of it. And I thought, right, I'll get to this next junction, think about it some more, just stop. And then it started to rain, started to get cold, so I decided I'm going to abandon it. About 15k away from home, you see, it's just play with me now. It's the first one I've not finished. Yeah, it's just got to me, this one as well, after the earlier fall in the day. But there you go, there's always the next one. But as you can probably tell, my ride's come to an end. In reflection, I definitely did the right things, because since about 9:30 this morning my thumb's been absolutely killing me. I've gone around 150k over lots of different bumps, and every single bump it's been hurting me. Doing simple things like pulling a drawstring or pushing the button on the drawstring, picking things up. Anywhere I've been holding the handlebars, it's just got the vibrations and it's not been comfortable at all, so I've definitely done the right thing, cutting the ride short. I'd rather go home now, get to fight another day. So if you feel like you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. Just consider subscribing to my channel. If you've got any comments or would like to say anything, just pop it in the comment section below. I'll read those later. Thanks for watching.